Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem without a calculator. So we have 2 to the power of 18 minus 2 squared. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm simply going to ignore this 2 squared, and let's go ahead and focus here on 2 to the power of 18. So if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this can be written as a to the power of m times n. And this same thing actually also works vice versa. If we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So as you can see here, we have 2 to the power of 18, and 18, this can be written as 9 times 2, right? So now we have 2 to the power of 9 times 2 minus 2 squared. Now 9 times 2, remember a to the power of m times n, this can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 9 times 2, this can be written as 2 to the power of 9 to the power of 2. Now minus 2 squared. Now 2 to the power of 9 squared is the same thing as 2 to the power of 9 times 2 to the power of 9. Now minus 2 squared. And 2 to the power of 9 is 512. You guys should know that because you guys should know your powers of 2. So now we have 512 times 512 minus 2 squared. Now 512 times 512 is 262,144. And we have minus 2 squared is the same thing as 4. And this is equal to 262,144 minus 4 is simply 262,140. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this can be written as a to the power of m times n. And the same thing can also be vice versa. If we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So right here we have 9, and 9, this is equal to 3 squared, right? 9 is equal to 3 squared. So I'm going to first replace all our 9's here with 3 squared. So we have 3 squared to the power of 10 plus, again, 3 squared to the power of 10 plus 3 squared to the power of 10. And now, as you can see, all three of our terms are in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, and remember that is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this would equal 3 to the power of 2 times 10, and the same goes for the other two. Now 2 times 10 is 20. So we have 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 20 plus 3 to the power of 20 plus 3 to the power of 20. And now if we factor out 3 to the power of 20 from this, we get 3 to the power of 20 times 3 to the power of 20 divided by 3 to the power of 20 is 1, and same goes for the other two. So now we have 3 to the power of 20 times 1 plus 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So now we have 3 to the power of 20 times 3. And let's say we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n. This is going to be a to the power of m plus n. So 3 to the power of 20 times 3, well, 3 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 1, so this would be 3 to the power of 20 plus 1, which is 3 to the power of 21. So this is our answer.